Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Hapida Samson from Zamboanga City, Philippines. I'm 39 years of age and I am a high school graduate. I am married with 2 kids ages 20 and 6 years old. My work experience are I work in Qatar from 2010 until 2012 with 5 members of family with 2 adults and 3 kids ages 18, 16, and 10 years old. My main duty is doing household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and cooking. I work also in Dubai from 2014 until 2017. I serve 6 members of family with 2 adults and 4 kids ages 23, 18, 14, and 8 years old. My main duty is doing household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and drop and pick up kids from school. I worked recently in Saudi Arabia from 2023 until 2025. I serve 2 adults. My main duty is taking care elder, age 75 years old. She is bedridden and I am assisting the nurse in charge. Ma'am, sir, I sincerely hope you will hire me. I am honest, loyal, hardworking, and trustworthy. I hope you will hire me and I promise to do my duty and responsibility. Thank you and God bless.